right, squad. We've arrived. Time to charm the crowd with our flawless social skills.
Flawless? Remember last time you told someone you look different instead of you look great? That was awkward.
Yeah, that's the kind of different that makes people want to disappear.
Can we skip straight to the snacks?
Reminder, engaging in small talk increases social bonds. Also, Jimmy, eating all the snacks in 5 minutes will decrease your popularity.
Lisa, long time no see. You look amazing.
Oh, thank you. It's been forever. How have you been?
See? Compliments. Safe and effective.
Oh, hey, I think we've met before. Or maybe not. Anyway, you look different?
Jimmy, small talk failure detected. Suggested fix. Try, nice to see you again.
Hey everyone, I'm John. Mind if I join the conversation?
Of course. We were just talking about dream travel destinations.
Nice. I've always wanted to visit Japan. Culture, food, and the Neon City vibes. Count me in.
See? Natural, confident, and no awkward pauses.
Sue, are you guys talking about stuff?
Jimmy, conversational crash detected. Suggested fix. Ask a casual question like, what's the most interesting thing you've heard tonight?
Okay, let's go over some don'ts at parties.
Like asking someone their age or income right away.
Or starting a debate on, I don't know, pineapple on pizza.
Wait, what? That's an important topic.
Correction. That's a friendship-ending topic.
Okay, time to exit like social butterflies, not awkward penguins.
Just keep it simple. It was great seeing you. Let's catch up soon.
Or if you had a deep chat, I really enjoyed our conversation. Let's stay in touch.
I'll just say, later, peeps, and vanish.
Alternative suggestion. Goodbye, humans. Until our next social experiment. Vocabulary update. Long time no see. It's been a while since we last met. Flawless. Perfect. Without mistakes. Mind if I join? A polite way to enter a conversation. Catch up. Reconnect and talk after a long time. Debate. A discussion with opposing opinions.
All right, party people. What's your go-to phrase at social events? Drop it in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more modern English vibes.
See you in the next video where we make English fun and natural.
Until then, party smart, talk smooth, and avoid weird silences.